Tired of messy paperwork and endless manual data entry? Let's unlock the power of Docusign Web Forms and see how you can effortlessly create online forms to streamline data collection and automate your workflows. First, navigate to the Web Forms tab within your Docusign account. Now, click on the Create Web Form button to start building your form from scratch. You'll be presented with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Simply drag and drop the desired form fields onto the canvas. Think text boxes for names, drop-down menus for selections, and checkboxes for multiple options. Customize each field by renaming the label and specifying whether it's a required field. For example, rename text field 1 to name and mark it as required so your respondents can't miss it. Head over to the Settings tab to fine-tune your form. Here, you can personalize the appearance of your form to match your branding and configure automated workflows to trigger actions when a form is submitted. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish button. A unique URL will be generated for your web form. Share this link via email, social media, or embed it directly on your website. That's it. You're now ready to collect data and automate your workflows with Docusign Web Forms.